Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by readying both your app and account. Sign into Google, verify identity, and link your app package ID. Once done, implement a clear privacy policy and add payment details so earnings can flow. Make sure your app meets content and developer policy before integrating ads, otherwise ads will be limited or disabled. Now that account prerequisites are satisfied, generate your Admob app entry and copy the ad unit ID you'll need for implementation in the next step. You now integrate the SDK, install the official Admob library, and initialize it on app startup with your app ID. Then add specific ad unit ID for banner, interstitial, and rewarded placements, and implement load-in cache logic so ads show without delay. Use test ads during development to avoid policy violations. Also instrument callbacks to track revenue events and impressions so you understand why income changes. Once ads are live, optimize frequency caps and placement to balance UX and RPM. Finish by optimizing and monitoring performance metrics in Admob. Review eCPM, CTR, fill rate, and RPM, then enable mediation and additional networks to increase fill and yield. Once done, run a /B tests on formats and placements, and adjust frequency caps for better retention. If revenue drops or ads don't serve, first check that you aren't using test ID, inspect SDK logs for errors, confirm billing info and policy compliance, and update to the latest SDK to resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.